Cricket is where we bowl off. The Jamaica Tallawahs recorded a massive 120-run victory over the St. Lucia Kings in their opening contest of the 2021 Caribbean Premier League at the Warner Park Sports Complex in St. Kitts on Friday. Simon Preston reports.
Openers Kenner Lewis and the experienced Chadwick Walton got the Tallawahs off to the perfect start as they made the loose bowling of Wahab Riaz and Kemo Paul pay a hefty price. The duo put on 81 runs for the first wicket inside 6 overs before Lewis departed for 48 off the bowling of Roston Chase. Walton went for 47 shortly after as Chase picked up his second scalp of the day. This brought the captain Rovman Powell to the crease, who shared in an 82-run third-wicket stand with Haider Ali. But in came Obed McCoy, who took 3 wickets in the 18th over. He removed Powell for 38, Ali for 45,
Haider Ali next ball with a slower one that went straight up in the air,
and Carlos Brathwaite for a first ball duck. Jamaica's Andre Russell came to the crease and smashed the fastest 50 in the history of the tournament off just 14 balls to propel the Tallawahs to 255 for 5. This is the highest score the Tallawahs have ever recorded in CPL history. In reply, the Kings are bowled out for 135 inside 18 overs. Tim David top scored for the Kings with 56. Miguel Pretorius was the pick of the Tallawahs bowlers with 4 for 32. Imran Khan also chipped in with 3 for 7.
To be honest, I'm pretty satisfied. You know, if we should look back last year, we struggled as a batting unit. So for us to come this year in the first game to put up a performance like that, I'm satisfied. Yeah, we know Andre is a world-class player. So what we try to do at the Tallawahs is to try to keep him happy. And once he's happy, he will deliver performances like that for we. We just hope that he continue to do it throughout the competition.
The Tallawahs will be searching for back-to-back wins against the Barbados Royals on Saturday. That match bowls off at 1:30 Jamaica time. Simon Preston reporting for TVJ Sports.